Welcome to the Secret Ninja Hideout. Meet our adventurous ninjas, Kai and Kimi. Today, they're about to set off on their very first time-traveling mission.
Ready, Kimi? Time to test out the Time Blaster 3000.
I'm ready, Kai. Let's travel back to the time of the dinosaurs.
Get ready to blast off, everyone. The time machine is set to take us on a dino-tastical adventure. Can you count with me? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kai and Kimi are on their way to the age of dinosaurs. But there's plenty to talk about as they zoom through time.
Kimi, can you imagine meeting a stegosaurus? Those plates on its back look so cool, and that tail could really pack a punch.
Yeah. Did you know those plates might have helped it stay cool like dino air conditioning? Or maybe they were for showing off to other dinosaurs.
And then there's the T-Rex. Big teeth, huge roar, but teeny tiny arms. I bet it would struggle to reach for snacks.
Imagine a T-Rex trying to give a high five. It'd be the shortest high five ever. Look, Kai, dinosaur eggs. Some were as big as basketballs. What if we find a nest? Maybe we'll see a baby dino hatch.
That would be amazing. But we'd have to be careful. We wouldn't want a dinosaur mom thinking we're sneaking up on her eggs.
Hold on tight, adventurers. We're almost there. The age of dinosaurs awaits. And here we are. Welcome to the age of dinosaurs. Look around at this wild and wonderful world.
Wow, Kai, this place is huge. Look at the trees. They're taller than the ones back home.
And check out these massive footprints. We must be close to a dinosaur.
The sound is coming from over there. It is a Triceratops. Look at those amazing horns and that huge frill.
Did you know a Triceratops frill could have been used to protect it from predators or make it look bigger and frighten the bad guys away?
Hey there, big fella. Don't mind us. We're just here to explore and learn.
Just like a real-life armored tank, but friendlier. Did you know Triceratops only ate plants? They were herbivores, just like big, gentle cows.
Fun fact, Triceratops traveled in groups, or herds, to stay safe from danger. Uh-oh, Kimi. That didn't sound friendly.
Sounds like a T-Rex might be nearby. We'd better stay alert and use our ninja skills to stay safe.
What will our brave ninjas do next? Will they meet more dinosaurs or have to make a sneaky escape? Stay tuned, young adventurers, because this journey has only just begun.
Kai, let's jump on that leg. Maybe we will get a better view of that Brachiosaurus munching along.
Whoa, meet the Brachiosaurus, one of the tallest dinosaurs to ever roam the earth. Its neck was so long, it could easily reach the treetops for a leafy feast.
I think it likes us, but I bet if it sneezed, it could blow us away.
Uh-oh, that T-Rex sounds closer. We need to stay sharp, Kimi.
What was that, Kai? Something just flew over us.
Whoa, look up there. It's a flying dinosaur, a pteranodon.
That's right, adventurers. Pteranodons weren't actually dinosaurs, but flying reptiles called pterosaurs. And look at that wingspan, up to 10 meters wide, like the length of a small airplane.
Kimi, I think we better head back to the Time Blaster 3000.
Sure thing, Kai. Let me start up the machine remotely.
Kimi, we made it. Let's get in. Danger is approaching.
Wowza! Look at that T-Rex. It's gigantic, and those teeth, they're like swords.
Yep, definitely time to ninja out of here. We don't want to be its next snack.
All right, let's zoom back home. Adventure is awesome, but getting chomped by a T-Rex? No thanks.
Did you know that T-Rex had a bite force of over 12,000 pounds? That's like the weight of 3 cars. No wonder it was the king of the dinosaurs. And off they go, safe and sound, back to their secret ninja hideout. But don't worry, adventurers. Kai and Kimi's time-traveling escapades are far from over.
This first adventure was super awesome.
I had a dino-tastical time.
What time period will they explore next? Stay tuned and keep your ninja senses ready for more exciting adventures. Blast back to the past with us next time.